The modern world is filled with elements that can cause a high level of fear and anxiety in a person's life. They may lead a person to abuse drugs or other substances in an attempt to stay stable. Unfortunately, drug use is a dead end that will only make a person's anxiety worse. Therefore, an anxiety treatment program is often a critical part of any rehab process. Keep watching to learn more about the relationship between anxiety and addiction and how the programs at Crestview Recovery can help. Anxiety and addiction. Anxiety and addiction are common co-occurring disorders that make life very difficult for many people. How do these two problems develop and influence each other? Often it starts when a person has a high level of anxiety about something in their life and does not know how to handle these emotions. They may turn to alcohol, marijuana, or other substances to calm their nerves. However, drugs do nothing to help manage the underlying sources of a person's anxiety. As a result, they may end up feeling higher levels of fear and turn to even higher levels of drug abuse. Even worse, the drugs themselves can cause a person to feel anxiety or even paranoia and trigger a higher level of abuse. As a result, many people in this situation need an anxiety treatment program to stay safe and healthy without the use of drugs. A typical program. An anxiety treatment program typically starts by assessing why a person feels anxiety. You'll usually begin your treatment with a therapy or psychotherapy session with a trained professional. They will understand your condition and be able to explain to you how anxiety affects your life. They'll listen to why you feel anxious and get a better understanding of the type of disorder you may have. You could be suffering from either social or other generalized anxiety disorders. Then they'll assess any addiction you might have and figure out how these addictions feed into your anxiety problems. By fully understanding the nature of these issues, you can begin to step outside of yourself. You may start to fully understand how drugs and anxiety are impacting your life. At this point in your recovery, you can start detailed treatment within your program or in a rehab facility. This will help you regain a stable and drug-free life. Just as importantly, you can go through behavioral therapy, such as dual diagnosis and cognitive behavioral therapy, to manage any behaviors that contribute to these issues and their development. Each of these programs will help you treat your anxiety in a healthy way without the use of drugs or alcohol. The Crestview Difference. At Crestview Recovery, we have an anxiety treatment program that can help manage your addiction. We offer multiple levels of treatment, including partial hospitalization, intensive outpatient, dual diagnosis, extended care programs, and more. Our treatment specialists are master-level experts with years of experience in their field. We are also fully accredited by the Joint Commission, meaning we have your back when times get rough, and our beautiful Pacific Northwest location provides you with a high level of relaxation. If you believe an anxiety treatment program will help you manage your addiction, please contact us at 866-262-0531 today. At Crestview Recovery, we're dedicated to helping our clients achieve the sobriety they deserve to be happy and healthy. Verify your insurance to get started on the path to sobriety. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.